Hey everybody. So in this video, we're talking about how you generate your pairing codes for students so that their parents can follow along and monitor their progress, announcements, and grades in your Canvas course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the faculty course as an example. So if you want to generate pairing codes, go ahead and click on the course. The page will populate, and you want to find this navigation tab, People. Go ahead and click on that. And then your list of students should populate. So since you all was listed as students in this course, all your names appear here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to my three vertical dots, click here, and I'm going to export pairing codes. So I click this and it will export an Excel sheet. So I'll open this. I will try again. Oh, there it is. All right, so you'll notice here's everybody's name, here's their pairing code, and here's when the pairing code expires. The pairing code is always going to expire 7 days after you ran the report. So what you would do is you would give each student their pairing code. So if somebody wanted to watch me, say my mother, which would be ridiculous. Oh, she's the last person you want behind a computer. Anyway, she would go to Canvas, and where it says, what is your student's pairing code in the app, they would just type this in. Most parents are fairly familiar with this. If they are not and they have questions, I will include a guide on that Canvas faculty page that you can print out or email to parents, and it walks them through what they should do to follow their student. But it's very easy. Once they type this in, they're following the student. Now, what's really convenient about this, you only have to do this once per child. Once the parent is following that student, they do not have to do this for every single class. They only do it one time. That's why we want all of our parents following all of our students. We want them to be in the know about what's going on with their child's learning. All right, that is it. That's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, bye everybody.